whatever your state you give. Yeah. Now, this house actually comes standard 4 bedrooms. So if you didn't, it's an upgrade to change it to an office. So if you didn't change to an office, this would be a solid wall here. And then the entrance to the bedroom would be around the corner here. Okay. So this closet and the coat closet right there, all would go into the wall here, and this would be the hallway into that bedroom.
Oh,
Okay, so you would have 4 bedrooms.
4.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Anyway, I mean, some people like the home office. Other people don't. So it's just a matter of personal preference.
I like the bedroom.
You like
more
it?
bigger.
I can't make them bigger. Yeah, no.
No,
Listen.
everywhere we go.
No, okay, if you want it, you construction by you, yeah, I like this, like that, do it.
Yeah, but anytime you're going to it's basically we're called production building. We all have already plans.
Okay, not a special construction,
Right. Like she said, if you build like a custom house, then you can tell them how big you want the rooms.
You want the
But when you do on any production builder, they can't make the rooms bigger than what they're
because
already
this
from.
is a
Yeah, that's the way the house is designed. Everything is low bearing. The walls have to be a certain place for it. Yeah.
I like it.
I like it.
I like this place.
Yeah, it is. This is the reason,